Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Devahuti said, O Supreme Personality of Godhead, kindly explain the characteristics of the Supreme Person and His energies, because both of these are the causes of this manifest and unmanifest creation.
Prakite purusasyapi lakshanam purushottama bruhi karanayam asya sadasat cha dadatmakam. So, Kapildev is addressed here as Purushottama. Purushottama, the living entities, the super soul, and the Supreme Personality of God. Living entities are sometimes called Purusha because Purusha means enjoyer. So the living entities wants to enjoy this material world, although he is not enjoyer. We have explained many times. The living entities, that is also Prakriti, but he also wants to enjoy. That is called illusion. So, in his enjoying temperament, he may be called Purusha. Illusory Purusha. Real Purusha is Bhagavan. Purusha means Bhokta. The Bhokta, real Bhokta, enjoyer, is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. Bhoktaram Jagadavasam Sarvalok Maheshwaram. So, Devahuti wants elucidation of the characteristics of Purusha and Prakriti. So, Purusha is one, but Prakriti, there are many energies. Prakriti, energy. Just like we have got practical experience that husband and wife, the wife is supposed to be the energy. The husband works day and night very hard, but when he comes home, the wife gives him comfort, eating, sleeping, making, in so many ways. He gets fresh energy. Especially the Kurmis, they get energy by the behavior and service of the wife. Otherwise, the Kurmis cannot work. Anyway, the energy principle is there. Similarly, the Supreme Lord, he has got also energy. In the Vedanta Sutra, we understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the original source of everything, Brahma, Athatam Brahma Jigyasa. That Brahma, in one code, Vasudev described that Janmadasya Jata, the Brahma, Supreme Absolute Truth, is that from whom everything comes. So unless this principle is there, that Brahma, the Absolute Truth, is also energized or worked with his energies. Otherwise, why this conception comes within this material world? The material world is a shadow, reflection of the spiritual world. Unless the original thing is there in the spiritual world, it cannot be reflected in the material world.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.